Quick Step Livyn floors are an increasingly popular choice for both domestic and commercial projects. Livyn floors are a sturdy, practical choice with a multi-layer construction and a printed surface in a variety of finishes. The panels are made of high-quality synthetic material that is waterproof and highly resistant to wear, yet soft and warm to the foot. And the really good news is that a Quick Step Livyn floor is quick and easy to install. Preparation of the subfloor prior to laying the panels is crucial. The first step is to remove all floor coverings. Livyn floors cannot be laid over soft floor coverings such as carpet, vinyl and cork. Next, determine whether the subfloor is concrete, wood or tile. Each type of subfloor requires different preparation, although the objective is the same in each case: to create a surface that is entirely clean, dry, smooth and flat. Any defects will compromise the appearance and longevity of the flooring. If the subfloor is concrete, test the subfloor thoroughly for moisture using a moisture meter. Always record and keep your moisture test results. If the moisture exceeds 75% RH, a liquid damp-proof membrane is required between the subfloor and the panels. In all cases, sweep and vacuum the surface to remove all debris and create a smooth, clean and dust-free subfloor. Then, using a repair mortar, fill all holes and cracks. The next step is to ensure all fixtures and fittings are protected with masking tape before you apply a primer. Select the priming product that is right for your floor. Use an appropriate roller to spread the primer evenly and create a good adhesive base over the whole floor. Now apply a suitable leveling compound using a trowel, carefully following the manufacturer's guidelines. While the leveling compound is still wet, run a spiked roller over the subfloor to remove any air bubbles or imperfections left by the trowel. When the surface has dried, sand it and vacuum to remove all dust and debris. When the subfloor is wood, remove all loose nails and other projecting objects. Carefully remove all debris, then sweep and vacuum the surface. Loose planks should be screwed together. The wood subfloor now needs to be plyboarded with WBP 6mm plywood. Fix the ply board at 100mm intervals around the perimeter and at 150mm centers throughout the plyboard. Then use a feathering compound to smooth out the board joints and achieve the required flat, even surface. Sweep and vacuum the plyboard to remove dust and debris before installing the flooring. If the subfloor is tiled, use a leveling compound to bring the joints up to the same level as the tiles. Then apply a second leveling layer before drying, polishing and dusting the surface. The subfloor is now in place. Check it carefully. Even minor defects can compromise the quality of the final floor. So deal with them before removing the masking tape, then sanding and vacuuming one last time. Now you're ready to lay the Quick Step Livyn panels.